Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch Smart Me Android LED TV. See friends, here in this TV the complaint is vertical bars lines on display without graphics problem. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in gate signals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides of gate signals are short, then it's difficult to repair. Anyway, let's start the repair process. See friends, here the TV comes with a single COFC SOT panel with ST3151A07 panel. Here these are the gate signals from the right side and left side of the scalar PCB. Finally, here we are going to cut down the left side gate signals. See friends, now we open the left gate signals by cutting left side tracks. Finally, now the work is done, so now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV is started working back to normal. But always remember that this is just only a temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement, and we can't predict how long the display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. So that's it. Hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.